Cadillac 2007 DTS. Radio not working. Yeah, worst thing ever. This whole mechanism is not working. Sometimes your heat and stuff is fine, but yeah, your radio, favorites, band, CD, menu, category, all that was not working. Horrible. All right, you need to find the position of the radio fuse. I'm attaching the description to the owner's manual in the description of this video. There are two separate areas for fuses: in front of the passenger, inside of the engine, and behind me, underneath the seat, which we will go through now. Mine turned out to be F as in Frank, F21 was the location of the fuse for the radio. You gotta lift up the entire back seat. Pour more this way first. Seat is up. Okay, I am now behind the driver's seat with the whole back seat. I just lifted up, and it's your box is here. Pry it up and then go through your manual, and the F21 I spoke about is that blue 15. That blue 15 is the one in question. Take a look at that fuse with some needle nose pliers. I'm gonna take out the fuse just for you. Son of a trick. With these needle noses. In my particular case, the fuse was fine. If that's broke, like a broken heart, you'd have to replace it. You can replace it with another 15 amp that you know for sure you are not using within the car, or just buy a new one. But mine was not broken, so I'm thinking it just got a little loose when someone cleaned. And I also think unplugging it might reset things a little bit. So now I'm going to insert it back in. Again, in my case, I think it was just a little loose. If it was broken, I'd just get a new one. Now I'm gonna insert it back into here. I'm just gonna stick it down until it clicks, and that's how that works. Putting the seat back down, yes. Make sure your seat belts and belt mechanisms are out of the way. It kind of just goes in, and then it'll click back into place. There's that one. There's my body weight. That's done. And I am going to show you the engine compartment, just in case you wanted to see that. I did not have to go to the engine compartment, because you could take a spare, or you could take something you're not using that's 15 amps, but use caution, obviously, and I will still show you that right now. The actual engine compartment fuses are right in here. This black thing. You just have to slide your fingers in there and then lift up so you don't break the plastic. But same idea as the rear seat, but this is in your engine. You could take spares that you need, or just steal from somewhere else, or again, just buy a new one.